back to the next topic of NCERT questions, and page number 236, and question number 36 is just says, write down the number of 3D elements in each of the following ions: titanium 2 plus, vanadium 2 plus, chromium 3 plus, manganese 2 plus, iron 2 plus, copal 2 plus, nickel 2 plus, copper 2 plus. Indicate how would you expect the 5 3D orbitals to be occupied for the hydrated ion in octahedral. So in crystal field theory, that shows the octahedral splitting and the tetrahedral splitting. In octahedral splitting is a T2G is a lower energy and EG to be in a higher energy. In tetrahedral splitting, E should come down, EG should come down and T2 should go up. But octahedral splitting, G should come. But in tetrahedral, G should not come. So that is what I have written, T2 and here the E. For tetrahedral, for distinction, no G should come. For octahedral, G should come. Degenerate. So triple E degenerate and double E degenerate. Here the degeneracy, EG should not come for a distinction between the octahedral splitting and the tetrahedral splitting. So octahedral splitting, EG is a lower energy state and T2G is a lower energy, EG to be a higher. Just opposite only tetrahedral. That's what they are given in a octahedral specified. In this specified question, supposed to take almost they are given all the elements. So we'll take titanium, vanadium, chromium. We'll take according to the question order. Titanium 2 plus, vanadium 2 plus, chromium 3 plus, manganese 2 plus, Fe 2 plus, copal 2 plus, nickel 2 plus, copper 2. This is question. According to the question we have taken, in this first we should write electronic configuration. 3D2 4s2, 3D3 4s2, for chromium 3D5 4s1, for manganese 3D5 4s2, for iron 3D6 4s2, for copal 3D7 4s2, for nickel 3D8 4s2, for copper 3D10 4s1. This is the original electronic configuration. 2 plus means it should lose 2 electrons from first s orbital, then 3D2 4s0. And vanadium 2 plus means 2 electron losing in s orbital, then it has a 3D3 4s0. And chromium 3 plus means 1 from s orbital, 2 from d. So D3 will have 3D3 4s0. Then Mn2 plus 2 electron from s orbital, then it has a 3D5 4s0. And Fe2 plus 2 electron from s orbital, remaining 3D6 4s0. And copal 2 plus losing 2 electron from s orbital, remaining 3D7 4s0. And nickel 2 plus losing 2 electron from s orbital, remaining 3D8. And copper 2 plus, it loses 1 electron from s orbital, 1 more electron from d orbital, so 3D9 4s0. So just to see that up to 5 you should fill a 1 electron in each boxes. So unpaired electrons. So number of unpaired electrons is 2, 3, 3, 5. Then here number of unpaired electron is 4. Here unpaired electron is 3. Here the number of unpaired electron is 2. Here the unpaired electron is 1. So what here the number of unpaired electrons are filling in according to the crystal field theory. So after manganese is gradually decreases. It has comes 2, 3, 3, 5 and 4, 3, 2, 1. So what T2G lower energy and EG is a higher energy in octahedral. If it is in a tetrahedral means just opposite. E should come down lower energy, T2 will go up higher energy. So here I have written a lower energy state of T2G and higher energy state of I have written EG. So T2G writing first and EG second. Actually 5 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. In the 5 boxes I have split into 2 sets. That's what I have written a yellow color. The 2 sets are lower energy of T2G, higher energy of EG. First filling the electron in a T2G and then goes to EG. So here only 2 unpaired electrons. So it filled the 1, 1. 2 unpaired electrons. Here it has a 3 unpaired electrons. So T2G have a 3 and EG is 0. So filling 1, 1, 1 in a T2G. And 3 again filling here. And here 5 unpaired electron. So it is T2G 3. So Eg is 2. So 1, 1, 1 in a T2G, and then it goes to higher energy of Eg 1, 1. Next, it has number of electrons, not unpaired electron. This number of electron is 6. So what it is? 2 electrons, and here it has 3 electrons, and here it has 3 electrons, and here it has 5 electrons, here it has 6 electrons. So in this 6 electron to be distributed as T2G 4 and Eg 2. So here filling 1, 1 in each 5, and then sixth one is goes to the T2G. Then it has 7 electrons. It is not 3, 2, 1. It is 7, number of electrons 7, number of electron 8, number of electron is 1. So only writing the electron 6. So after manganese, number of electron is increases 6 electron, 7 electron, 8 electron, and 9th electron. So 6, 7, 8, 9 electron are there. That all these electrons are filling in this T2G 5 and Eg 2. So 1, 1 in filling in all the thing. Then next to pairing up into the T2G. Then 6, 7, 8 electrons. So T2G 6 and Eg 2. 8 electrons are filling. We are getting 2 unpaired electrons in Eg set. Then 9 electrons T2G 6 and Eg 3. So we are getting filling all these electrons. 2, 2, 2, 2, 9. So here the number of unpaired electron is 2. Unpaired electron is 3. Here the unpaired electron is 3. Here the unpaired electron is 5. Here the unpaired electron is 2. Here the unpaired electron is 3. Here the unpaired electron is 2. Here the unpaired electron is 1. So number of unpaired electron. So here the number of unpaired electron is nothing but only 2, 2. So what you find out, there's some answers. They are asking you to writing, identify how would you expect the 5 3d orbitals occupying these hydrated, just to filling the electrons. So you should know the rule of filling the electrons 1, 1 in each, and then you find out the number of unpaired electrons.